Let's see how to set different notification sounds for different apps on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Open Settings. Go to Notifications. Select the app whose notification sound you want to change. Go to Messenger Notification Sounds. Select a notification sound. This way you can add a different notification sound to any other app. Select Message Notification Sound. Select a different ringtone.